So something new for me, flying with two other flyers. Alan and I have flown together, but now I've got Andy as well. Both Andy and Alan have got Mavics as well as Phantoms. So I went up first with Bugs 3 and embarrassed myself, managed to flick a camera off. So what happens, the Bugs 3 is still in the air and the camera is now lying on its back, taking a shot of the bugs that fly past. So I guess it was a mixture of unfamiliar surroundings and unfamiliar situation. So next Andy went up with his Phantom 3, demonstrating very precise control, and got some fantastic footage which he's got up now, plus demonstrated to Alan just how far you can go with the GGI equipment. So very impressive in terms of both control, range and smoothness of action. So fortunately I was standing there with the camera retrieved from the Bugs 3 and got a shot as he flew by. Beautiful stuff. So the next cab off the rank was Alan with his Mavic and up it went. And out to sea, encouraged by Andy to fly far and fast. So finally it was my turn again with the Bugs 3. Had a bit of embarrassment before that where I managed to put my Bugs 3 up in the air shortly after Alan took off with his Mavic, and it caused massive interference. So I dropped my Bugs 3 as soon as I could, scattering bits and pieces all over the beach, because I'd forgotten the reason why we alternate is not only to observe for each other but to avoid that kind of interference. So finally I settled down and got up in the air with the Bugs 3 and had quite a reasonable flight. I didn't fly as far as I normally would because the battery was down a bit by then, but by then I'd calmed down, remembered to turn on the alarm, things like that, and had a really pleasant flight. So interesting time and very worthwhile, because getting together with other flyers, there's so many little tips you can pass on and things you can learn. And this is a beautiful location, Willunga Beach, first time we've flown there, and I'm sure we'll be back. Though the other thing was it was 27 degrees, whatever that is in Fahrenheit, which is fairly warm for us for early summer. So we were baking a bit against the rocks, which is why I had my gear tucked away in a cave for a bit before I took off. Anyway, I'll put on a nice soundtrack and kick back and relax. So I hope you enjoyed this mix of cinematic and crash footage. So bye for now.